In this video, we bring to you a charming shipping container home in Union Pier, Michigan, United States. Welcome back. As you approach the home, you'll be immediately struck by its impressive curb appeal. The sloping roof, which cascades from the second story down to the front porch, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. And to keep the home protected from moisture, it is elevated off the ground on a concrete strip foundation. The spacious lobby greets you with a striking wooden staircase, ample natural light from picture windows, and a wall-mounted coat rack. The door to the guest restroom is conveniently located from the lobby, making it easily accessible for visitors. The living area is a true gem, boasting high ceilings, an open floor layout, a TV for entertainment, and a two-sided fireplace for those cooler months, and cozy couches for lounging. A simple dining space located behind the living room opens into a beautiful chef's kitchen, equipped with everything you need for food preparation. The professional Wolf stove and the Sub-Zero fridge, custom cabinets, quartz countertops, and a generous breakfast island with room for three makes this kitchen a true joy to cook and entertain in. The numerous skylights and the glass windows throughout the ceiling lets in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and airy living space. The exposed air conditioning ductwork, the modern truck lights, and the vaulted ceiling all work together in unison to create and reflect the industrial aesthetic of the architecture, giving the space a feeling of airiness and spaciousness. Adjacent to the living room is a screened porch separated by two-sided fireplace. This provides an ideal space for lounging and dining all year round, leading out to a private deck and a fenced yard. The first bedroom is fully furnished and boasts a cozy double bed and bedside lamps, as well as a deluxe bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower cubicle, a toilet, and vanity. The second bedroom features a comfortable bed that overlooks the outdoors through the sizable glass windows, and the third bedroom has a comfy single bed with under the bed storage, a sitting area, and two windows for ample daylighting. Both bedrooms are served by a spacious bathroom, complete with a toilet, tub, shower cubicle, a sink, and a large mirror. The main level of this house also features a laundry room with a washer and dryer. A wooden staircase with wire mesh railing takes you to the bright office on the second floor, complete with a large window that opens to the landscape, integrating the interior of the house with nature. The main highlight of this level of the house is the spacious master bedroom, which boasts a queen-sized bed, bedside lamps, and a flat-screen TV for your ultimate comfort. The stunning master bathroom is just off the bedroom and features a glass shower stall, plenty of built-ins, double vanities with modern wash-hand basins, and a large mirror that adds to its appeal. The exterior of the home is equally as impressive, with grey timber siding and a cozy storage shed in the backyard. This integration of conventional design elements with modern container technology is what sets this home apart and makes it truly stand out. Which part of this amazing family home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.